Did you know 900 men survived a torpedo attack only to face something far worse in the water? July 30th, 1945. The USS Indianapolis had just delivered atomic bomb components to Tinian Island. At midnight, 2 Japanese torpedoes ripped through the hull. The ship sank in 12 minutes. 900 sailors found themselves floating in the Pacific with almost no lifeboats. Then the tiger sharks arrived. For 5 days, Woody James watched helplessly as the predators circled closer. Men started drinking salt water and losing their minds. Some attacked each other in delirium. The worst part? Navy bureaucracy failed to report the ship missing. No one was even looking for them. On the 5th day, pilot Chuck Gwynn spotted oil slicks by pure chance. Of the original 196 crew members, only 316 survived. Most didn't drown in the sinking. They were taken by sharks while waiting for a rescue that almost never came.